With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given is CH2 double bond CHOH and CH3CHO are options are functional isomers, chain isomers, tautomers, or none of these. So we are given here two compounds, that is first is CH2 double bond CH and OH, and the other one is CH3 C double bond OH. So these two compounds, if we see, this is an alcohol and this is an aldehyde. There is CHO group and there is an OH group, right? So we have to tell which of the following isomers they like, which of the following isomerism they are showing. So if we see that these two compounds have a molecular formula, if we see for both the compounds, it is C2H4O, right? So the molecular formula is same, but if we see for the functional isomers, so functional isomers are basically like if we see for the alcohol, so the alcohol has a functional isomers of ether, the functional with the functional group ether basically. So and the aldehyde has a ketone as its functional isomer. So these two cannot be the functional isomers. Now if we talk about the chain isomers, so chain isomers basically there is only two carbon atoms here, and there is no branching, and there is no like the change in the length of the compound or the chain of the there is basically there is no chain forming in these two compounds, so these cannot be the chain isomers. So now if we see for tautomers, yes, they are basically they're showing tautomerism, and the tautomerism they are showing is ketoenol tautomers. They are ketoenol tautomers. Basically, if we talk about the tautomerism, so basically tautomerism is a net process by which protons are transferred from one side to another by a series of steps in which the solvent is an intermediary, right? But the ketone enol tautomerism is a type of tautomerism in which there is a chemical equilibrium between a ketone or aldehyde and an enol. Enol is alcohol. Now, if we draw the structure of this aldehyde here, that is CH3, we can write it as CH2 and H is here, and C double bond O and H. Now the carbonyl, if there is a carbonyl group either of a ketone or a aldehyde, so the alpha carbon present here is this, and the alpha hydrogen for this, like the proton here present is this, right? So this the carbonyl present in any aldehyde or ketone, the hydrogen present at alpha position on alpha carbon here, so it can be tautomized. So this proton shifts, right? And this can be done, this tautomerization can be done in both acidic or basic medium. So if I take this as a base, I take a base here. So this base basically attracts this hydrogen, right? And removes this hydrogen. So after removing, there will be shifting of the bond. So there will be a negative charge on this carbon, and this carbon negative charge will be here, and this bond will be shifted here. So this will become CH2 double bond O negative and H. Now the proton, that is H positive. Now this negative charge on oxygen will attract this hydrogen proton here, H positive here, and it will form CH2 double bond CH and OH. So this is the required, like we can see this is the alcohol here formed, right? So this basically is happening under the chemical equilibrium. This is a chemical equilibrium between this aldehyde and the enol, that is alcohol, and this is the enol ketoenol tautomerism. These two compounds are showing. So the options there is the third option is the correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.